My lord, we sent a team to deal with the staff at the bank, and we took inventory of the missing contents of the vault. Amongst that which was stolen was the gem.
The gem is gone, so it was a play by the Opals. We may still use this to our advantage.
The stone is no longer under Athkatla's protection. My master summons me.
I hear the gem is outside the city's limits. Your infiltrator did well. Aye, sir. We have received our payment in full, and furthermore, we have enough troops left after the war to maintain complete privacy.
Majesty, Athkatla have lost the contents of the largest vault and their forces are depleted after the trade war.
The time to strike is nigh. Call the banners, assemble the watch, conscript the population. You are the true owners of Athkatla. You are the true heirs of this ancient land. You are not their slaves. Claim what is rightfully yours.
Burn the villages in our wake. We claim our